All right, today we're going to learn how to make this great intro effect where we zoom through the text and straight into our video. Let's go. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do in a blank presentation here is I'm going to add a rectangle. Just type the letter R and your default rectangle comes in. Size them across the entire screen. I'm going to change them to black as well. Now, actually, I want this rectangle to be slightly smaller than the screen. So I'm going to do that by going in here, making sure this ratio is locked. And then I'm just going to change this width to about 1600 pixels. So that resizes them. I'm going to get them centered in the screen now. So I got a white border from the background going around my rectangle. I want to add my text. The text needs to be the same color as the white background for what we're going to do. All right, that in. I want to change the font to an Anton. I'm going to make him fairly large, get him centered. Good. I'm going to add another heading for Hawaii, but I want to change him to something a bit more decorative. That should work. I will resize him as well. I'm just trying to get him close in here. Get it to where he's just lined up above him. Let's see, I didn't have him centered. Perfect. Now, just the standard, we're going to download him as a PNG. In this particular case, you want to make the size as big as possible, and you can hit download. While that's downloading, I'm going to delete everything that's on here. And we'll come back up here to my download manager and bring that back in. So that's what we just downloaded. Now what I want to do, I want to do the background remover. This is why we wanted that white border around there, so that we would keep the black and all the white areas would more or less become transparent. All right. Now what I do, I'm going to add in the video. I've saved off a little snorkel trip. Here's a second video. Let's bring him back over here. So now I need to size this snorkel over the top of this. And this is where, like, I've had some real OCD problems, but I want to make sure that this truly covers the screen. All right. That looks pretty good. Next thing I want to do, I want to make this just slightly transparent. I'm going to bring him down to 70. All right. If you look close, you can see the background coming through that black. All right. Now I want to duplicate this. We'll slide them over. I want that to line up just so that it's as back to back as we can get it. All right. Next, I want to come in here right on this 5-second mark, and I want to split the video. And I'm going to add a transition or match and move. Make it the duration as long as possible. Now, let's come into the second half. Now what we want to do is we want to create this zoom, and I'm going to make it look like it's zooming through this portion of the R. All right. So we're going to do that similar to what we did earlier. Come in, let's make sure this ratio is locked. But now, instead of decreasing the width, I'm going to increase the width by a little over a factor of 25,000. All right. Looks like we just lost it, but really it just, the way it lined up, we were just out there on the edge. So here's the top half of the S. Here's the top half of the N, top bit of the O. And here you can see is the R. And I wanted it to come through right here, and I'm going to line that up. So now we just have a little bit of black here, a little bit of black here, and a little bit down there. And the way we're going to get rid of that, we're going to move that transparency all the way to 0. Okay, now this should work where we're just going to scroll right through. Let's take a look. All right, I hope you enjoy the video. Check in with us next time for some more great tips and tricks.